Hi guys, good morning my beautiful igboticnonos. Welcome back to my channel once again. Yes guys, happy new year. It's been a while, right? Don't worry, I am back and better guys. I'm gonna give you guys back to back as usual, but this time around things are going to be changing. I'm going to bring out my videos every Thursday. Check out my video every Thursday by 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, you're gonna see a video in this channel to watch. So guys, this is just a general trying to introduce how this year is gonna be. I plan on being very consistent with you guys on this channel this year. That is my plan, that is my goal. Though even though things are not going well on this channel, like in terms of views and subscribers, guys, why are you guys doing this thing to me? I'm going to show you guys on the screen here, because YouTube actually sends us this analytics telling us how our channel is performing. My channel, is it performing as a new YouTuber on this platform? Yes, it is performing. It's trying its best, even though I think as the content creator here that the best is not besting, okay, but I will say it's trying, okay. But on the contrary, what I have on the screen here I'm showing you guys shows that more people are seeing my videos, but you can see here that I have 99% almost, like, people that are not subscribed to me that are watching my videos. You can see the percentage of people that are subscribed to me and watching my videos. Like, what? Why are you doing this thing? Why are you doing this thing to me? You open this video, subscription is free, even to share my video is free. You can support your girl by sharing her video as well. When you open this video, just subscribe. Just subscribe. Subscription is free. You're gonna see a red button there. Click on it and join the family, okay? And also, I know I often don't say this thing when I'm doing my videos. That is because I am carried away, please. But okay, it's just subscription as well, because one thing I learned from the big YouTubers, no matter how many subscribers they have, 500,000, they still say please click on the subscribe button. But me, when I'm doing the videos already, because I'm so much involved in it, trying to bring out, trying to teach what I'm teaching, I tend to forget to say subscribe to my channel. But please, I need a subscription. I need your support by sharing my videos, okay? And also, I found out on this channel that some people are loving my Igbo serious men thing on this channel, and I plan to bring it more since you guys are enjoying it. I did so many videos on how Igbo men are, how to know Igbo men, characteristics of Igbo men, and I can see that you guys are chilling with this video. I can see it. I'm getting notification, getting beautiful comments, beautiful funny comments, which I'm going to show you guys on the screen. I'm getting so many things that I just love, and it shows me that you guys want more of this, and I'm going to bring it on the board too, more of these videos. So guys, like I said, if you plan on learning Igbo language, if you're very interested in learning how to speak in Igbo language, trust me, this channel is for you. Just this channel is for you. I don't think there's another better channel for you. This channel is for you because I have so many videos on different phrases, and I've told you guys that phrases are the things that help you to make sentences when you're learning a language. Like I told you guys, I have a language I'm learning as well at my old age, yeah, and I'm doing so great. That is because I'm trying to learn many of the phrases, and I'm trying to learn learn phrases and reading books, something like that. And the words I don't understand, I try to translate it. Mind you, I'm having an exam in one of these languages in March, and it's not been easy reading with the kids, but still, the consistency and the key to success and the key to passing this exam, as I know, as a language teacher I am on this channel, on this platform, that is not what I studied as BSc, but as somebody who is teaching language, I really know that the more often you read, even if it's 30 minutes a day, even if it's 10 words you learn in a day, do it consistently for 360 days. Trust me, you start speaking that language fluently, and you start understanding most of the words fluently. This is me talking to myself as well as someone that's learning a new language, a foreign language, okay? So guys, I plan to also bring something else on this channel from time to time. My daughter is going to be 4 years today, and I plan bringing on her on this channel as so. You guys are going to be seeing our video often, because as I'm teaching you guys, I'm also teaching my daughter Igbo language, and of course I hope that the other siblings which are behind her will learn how to speak Igbo language. But the keys which I have learned from people who have done this well, and I plan to be like them, is that they said, one, you have to make sure that the eldest is speaking that language. When the eldest is speaking that language, it's easier to control the others to speak that language. So I'm trying my best to make the eldest, which is my daughter, to speak the language, as well as my other children, but of course I'm speaking to everybody. And the rule in this house is you speak Igbo language, you don't speak English in this house. And we started that when she was small, even when the other ones are coming as well. So I'm sure that when she's up to 6-7 years, she knows the rule very well. I'm also happy that she knows the boundary. Differentiating between English and Igbo is also going to help you on this platform when you're learning what it is in English, you're learning what it is in Igbo. At this stage of her life, she's able to differentiate what is Igbo and this is English and this is what it is in Igbo, which I'm also impressed. I'm not pushing it to her, but I know that we are making progress. So from time to time, I'm going to bring her up on this channel. We're going to do video together to encourage other people, both young and adults, who are interested in learning the native tongue, which is Igbo language, we are doing on this channel. I'm going to bring her up on this channel to help encourage. And the reason why I'm bringing her up on this channel is also for me to, you know, make her more interested in speaking the language. It's like a tactics. It's like it's, you know, it's like I'm more, you know, I want to be very intentional and tactical with her, you know, bringing her on this channel. She loves me when I'm doing video, she likes when I'm doing video, and she likes to imitate me. So now I want to lure her and bring her up on this channel so we can be doing videos together. This is me making her to learn the language, to be more interested, because she's going to do a video. And it comes to a time, maybe when she's 6 years, when I'll start leaving the camera for her alone. I'll just tell her, go and teach Igbo to our subscribers. Go and tell them few things in Igbo language and make them to learn it. You know, when I'm impacting those knowledge in her, the younger ones are going to be interested as well. They will struggling in the camera. Who is going to do the video today? Who is going to do the video next time? And it's to be like what I'm going to use to be drawing. They're like, oh, it's your turn to do video today. Subscribers today, you know that. So go and learn your Igbo words and your Igbo phrases and your sentences and come on this channel and teach them. So this is my plan. That's what I want to. That is why I want to start bringing her up on this channel early. No, I know she's very camera friendly. She likes to talk on camera. She wants to be imitating me, that kind of thing. So that is it, guys. You're going to be seeing more of me, more of the phrases and other things. And if there's anything you're interested in me on teaching on this channel, please kindly put it down below in the comment section. I'm here reading it. There are some people that send me messages of the things they want. Like there's a video I did of how to the mysteries in Igbo language. For those of you who are Catholic, and somebody said, please can you also tell us the days to say these prayers. Somebody else also said some things which I've already noted as well. So when I'm doing this teaching, it's also very nice that you guys are watching, are going to help me in turn to tell me things that I'm going to teach you guys. It will help me as well. And I also plan to bring things on this channel, like, you know, as I'm going on the journey of my daughter learning Igbo language, which is the goal. Of course, she's still small. I'm teaching Igbo. She has to learn Igbo. Igbo is our tongue. It is our secret communication language. Okay. So as I'm doing this as well, I want to make, you know, this extensive or somehow direct or straight to the point things. I don't know how to put it, but it's also going to come on this channel so that she herself can play it on her iPad and be watching as well and be telling me what she understands and what she learns, and she should imitate it for me. So these are my plans for her. Thankfully, she's growing. She's 4 years old. Baby is crying after I meet her. Thankfully, she's 4 years old, and we have, you know, a long way to go and much things to do together on this channel. So guys, subscribe to this channel and you see me in videos coming up. Okay, do have a wonderful day. Bye.